Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to report FoodPanda rider. Now if you want to report the FoodPanda rider but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you need to report a FoodPanda rider, you need to simply follow these steps. Now the first step will be to install the FoodPanda app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So after that you need to open the FoodPanda app. So as you can see, this is the home page of FoodPanda app, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. Now to report the rider, you need to click on the option of accounts, and under account you'll see the option like order, favorite, payments and address. Click on the option of order. Now you need to if you have encountered any issue with the rider, then you need to click on the option of help or report an issue from the food item area. So after clicking on it, you need to choose the option of report rider option, and you need to describe your issue in the available text. So after describing the issue, you may click on the option of submit to submit the report, and FoodPanda support will review and take the appropriate action against the food writer in which they have showed the rude behavior or delayed delivery or something like this. That's it. That's how you can report the FoodPanda rider from a FoodPanda app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.